Chris with Skayl, and today we're going to take a look at how to import your own model into PHENOM. Starting off, we're in the PHENOM demo branch, but we want to load a different model from an external .face file. PHENOM is capable of loading FACE 2.1 and FACE 3.0 files. Soon, I'm sure we'll have support for FACE 3.1 files as well. To create our own project, we need to go to the Manage mode of PHENOM. And you'll notice that this drops us right into the Project Manager. Well, that's not called a model. What's going on? It turns out that in much like software development, we allow multiple models or source files to be included in a project. So we actually keep projects and models as different entities in PHENOM. So we'll start by loading a new model. To do this, we click on this icon, the Model Manager, and then we come over here and we do Demo Model. Just type in the name of the model. The name must start with a letter, and it may include only letters, numbers, and underscores. We click on Select Files, and I'm going to choose this little model with UOP. From here, I'm going to go ahead and click Create. PHENOM will import the model, and it will report out any information that it finds upon the import. In this case, it had a small problem with the test language conflict detected. Essentially, the message port did not contain a programming language, so it said that it would default it to Java. Having loaded the model, we still don't have any way to switch to that in PHENOM because it doesn't appear here. That's because we first need to create a project. So we'll call this Demo Project. And of course, I switched to this Create Project tab. I typed in Demo Project, and now we have to create the associations. We can choose any of the models here that are not already included in another model. So I'm going to choose Data Model Live, and then I'll click Create. Great. We've successfully created Demo Project. To see Demo Project, we need to switch back to the Project Manager, click Demo Project, switch, and now we're in the Demo Project branch, and we can access all the information from the Demo Project model. One thing to note here is when we create a demo project, you see that it contains more than just Demo Model Live. It also includes Skayl Unit Transforms v1. Skayl Unit Transforms is a library that we provide to help your application transform any of your measurements from one data type or one unit type to another. Therefore, if you're trying to map anything from Celsius to Kelvin, or Celsius to Fahrenheit, or vice versa, or any of the above, this little model here contains all of the transforms necessary. And it has all of the valid transforms between all of the different units that currently exist in the FACE shared data model. Okay, well, that's about it for loading a new model. In the next video, we'll talk about how to share this model with other users.